Hey, it's Krista with WTI. I've always loved using essential oils to make my home smell wonderful, but finding that perfect diffuser was not always the easiest. That is until I found this Fularome waterless essential oil diffuser. It's simply the best. We chose the black carbon model, and we couldn't be more happy with how beautiful and sleek it looks. Right out of the box, this diffuser was easy to set up and use. As you can see, it has 3 simple buttons on the base of the device, but even better, it comes with smart features. I downloaded the Aroma app and paired it to my cell phone, and now I can set schedules and timers and even the intensity of the scent, all while remote. This model can be used with any cold diffusing essential oil, and the aluminum bottle is really easy to access to refill or change out the scent when it's needed. Another great feature on this diffuser is the fact that it's rechargeable. It did come with a C port to USB cable, so I can always make sure that my favorite scent can be diffused. Plus, the fact that it's cordless makes it super easy for me to move around and use it wherever I'm going to be in my home. This Fularome waterless essential oil diffuser has all the perks. It's beautiful, easy to operate, cost-effective, and it's going to deliver the aroma that makes your whole house smell wonderful. I love mine, and I think that you will too. And that's my point of view.